Online Business Make Easy is not your average PLR package. It's designed to be a comprehensive all-in-one solution for anyone looking to start or grow their online business. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this package has something for everyone. It's a complete done-for-you solution. You don't have to worry about creating content from scratch or spending countless hours on research. Everything you need is right here, ready to use. It gives you everything you need to launch a profitable online business. This package is unique because it includes high-quality content, marketing materials, and step-by-step guides. You can start seeing results almost immediately. It's not widely available, making it a valuable asset for entrepreneurs. The exclusivity of this package means that you have access to materials that are not oversaturated in the market. This exclusivity ensures you're not competing with countless others using the same material. You can stand out in your niche and attract more customers with unique, high-quality content. It's like having a secret weapon in the competitive online world. With this package, you have the tools and resources to outshine your competitors and achieve your business goals. With this package, you're not just buying information, you're getting a complete system that has been proven to work. The strategies and techniques included have been tested and refined to ensure maximum effectiveness. You're investing in a proven system. This is more than just a collection of documents, it's a roadmap to success. With Online Business Make Easy, you have everything you need to build a thriving online business. The online business world is booming. With the rapid advancement of technology and the increasing accessibility of the internet, more and more people are turning to online platforms for their shopping needs. More people are shopping online than ever before. This shift in consumer behavior is not just a passing trend, it's a fundamental change in how we buy and sell goods and services. This trend translates into incredible opportunities for entrepreneurs like you. Whether you're looking to start a new venture or expand an existing one, the online marketplace offers endless possibilities. Statistics show a consistent year-on-year growth in e-commerce. This growth is driven by the convenience and variety that online shopping offers, making it an attractive option for consumers worldwide. This growth means there's a huge demand for new products and services. Entrepreneurs who can identify and meet these demands stand to gain significantly. The barrier to entry is lower than ever. With minimal startup costs and a plethora of online tools available, anyone with a good idea and determination can launch a successful online business. This package helps you tap into this lucrative market. It includes everything you need to get started, from website builders to digital marketing tools. It provides you with the tools and knowledge to succeed. With expert guidance and comprehensive resources, you'll be well equipped to navigate the online business landscape and achieve your entrepreneurial goals. This package is perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Do you dream of being your own boss? This is your chance. Many people are unhappy with their current work situations. They crave flexibility, control, and financial freedom. However, starting an online business can seem daunting. That's where Online Business Make Easy comes in. It provides a clear step-by-step roadmap to success. This package is more than just a guide. It's a comprehensive toolkit designed to help you succeed in the online business world. It's a complete business system that covers every aspect of starting and running an online business. You get a comprehensive guide that walks you through every step from setting up your business to scaling it for growth. It includes professionally written sales materials such as sales scripts, flyers, and documents that you can use right away. You also receive ready-to-use marketing assets, including digital marketing tools and templates to boost your online presence. This means you don't need to start from scratch. All the hard work has been done for you, saving you time and effort. The package provides 2 proven business models, each with its own set of strategies and tactics. You can choose the one that best suits your goals and business style, ensuring a personalized approach to your success. With this PLR package, you're ready to launch and profit. It's your all-in-one solution for building a successful online business from the ground up.